You can invest in this at some point. It's all up to you. Kasi pag nag-invest ka sa growth, dapat gusto mo. And that's the highest form of self-love, investing in yourself. You have to be intentional with the work, but be more intentional with what you want to feel. I know you've heard of it many times, but a lot of people kasi hindi pa rin to ginagawa. And it's really important to go back to the basics. Once you have the clarity, you plan. Now, okay, I'm not talking about just a basic plan. I'm talking about like, okay, gaano ka specific yung plano? Again, nasa na tayo? Structure and design. The plan goes like this, no? You write all the things that you know based on the trainings that we've had then na tinatawag na non-negotiables. For me, I have a business. My non-negos are daily videos, weekly podcast. Are you with me? Almost daily live if I can. Power talks. These are non-negotiables. So in my schedule, there's a non-negotiables already. Naka-block na yan sa time blocking ko. Naka-block na lahat ng schedule. Okay? Kahit bumagyo, tutuloy ako. Nagigets niyo ako? No? Kahit inatake ako ng tikbalang sa gabi, tuloy. Dinalaw ako ng kapre, tuloy. Suntukin ko yon. So we have non-negotiables. So if you have a business or you are an entrepreneur, again, minanego ka. For real estate agents, non-nego mo, mag-post, mag-upload, mag-recruit, magbenta, magkaroon ng tripping, magkaroon ng site viewing. If you are employed right now in a creative business, may mga kanya-kanyang ginagawa, right? May web design ka, may managing people ka, may GMB, may ganito, may off-site, on-site content. You have non-nego. But after that, you have plenty of time to work on other stuff. Are you with me? No? So, you have a non-nego for work. I call it work. You have a non-nego for creativity. You have a non-nego for growth. And you have a non-nego for self-love. Or loving other people. So, malinaw sa akin, ano yung activity ko that represents love? Ano yung activities ko na makakatulong sa akin mag-grow? Like, I think October, we will go to Fiji. Tony Robbins, right? September or October. Okay, punta kami ng Fiji ni Mama. Fiji is like really expensive do. Isang siyang isla, tapos yung buong isla doon, may part doon na binili ni Tony Robbins yung buong isla. It's a really nice place. Like, may discount naman kami, pero Fiji is like 100K per day. Ang stay. That's Fiji. Pero inner circle kami ni Tony Robbins, so konti lang kami doon, parang lead. Kung may chance na yakapin ko si Tony, aakyat ako doon. Sabit ako doon, para akong koala. Hindi na ako bibitaw. Nayari siya sa akin. Right? So, growth, you have to have activities that triggers your creativity. Good news, if your work is related to this, sobrang good news. That is why I force people, not force, give them a challenge to create content because this triggers creativity. You will not enjoy it at first if you're not used to it. But habang tumatagal, it's like, ano kayong content ko bukas? Parang, you're enjoying it a little bit because natitrigger yung creativity mong mag-release ng mga ideas. Like, Ma'am Weng is doing great. Ma'am Weng is doing great. The content is doing great, you know? Even it's like, I don't know if you do it subconsciously, the colors, the background is good. Yung color ng damit mo is good. William Jones now is standing when it's creating content. More powerful, right? And I want to highlight Angel Po and Mark Po. I don't know if they are in the Zoom. I don't know if they are in the Zoom. Di ko alam kung nasan ako. Angel Po, grabe, sobrang may lessons na nakakatawa. Content na natatawa ako lagi. So I want to acknowledge Angel Po and Mark Po. And of course, the whole SB Lead community. Right. Si Vina din. Because Vina was not even speaking before. Oo. Para siyang wallflower. Bilang yung words niya, thank you. Welcome. proud of you guys. So, are we all learning? Ito, you have to have, pwedeng dito pa lang puno na schedule mo. Now, there are some people na natitrigger yung creativity nila habang kumakain. Habang nagwo-workout. For me, it's working out. Right? For some people, it's eating. Kasi pag ako kahit gutom, puyat, kaya ako mag-operate eh. Are you with me? You have to find what works for you. It is your job, not my job. Learning ba? Learning? Nagagets niyo ako, ha? Growth, this is part of your growth. You can invest in this at some point. It's all up to you. Kasi pag nag-invest ka sa growth, dapat gusto mo. And that's the highest form of self-love, investing in yourself. Buying something for yourself, especially investing in courses and personal development. It's different. It's a different feeling. Na pag ginagastusan mo na yung sarili mo on something intangible. Alright? Now, ang purpose ng plan, ito na, himayin ko ng konti. Ang purpose ng plan is dalawa, structures and design. Okay? Pwede nyo itong picture namaya, structure and design. Hanggang maging culture siya. Ang structure, it's always attached to the mind. Remember that, The structure is like mind, measurements, specifics. The design is the heart. So it's like, okay, I will be productive today, but I will show up. I will be more responsible today. You have to be intentional with the work, but be more intentional with what you want to feel. Do I want to feel strong today? Now, I'm sure a lot of you are watching other men. I understand that. There are strong men in social media, alpha men, Right? Alam mo yun, sa Pilipino may ganun din eh. Dapat wala kang pakiramdam, hindi ganun. That's bullshit. If you don't want to feel, it's still a feeling of being in control. So it's still an emotion. Don't say, I don't have emotion. You say, I want to feel in control today. Be intentional. I want to feel powerful today. Not reject my emotions, but more like embrace my emotions. I want to feel powerful. I want to show up with power. You gets mo? Today is all about love. I'm gonna love my students. Pero after the love, I will be more confrontational. Like, gets mo? It's like more power. Tawin mo kasi. Yung itwist mo kasi pagpalo mo. Nagigets niyo ako? Kaya tayo na-burn out, nakafocus tayo sa structure, walang design. You're too focused on the task, not what you want to feel during the task and after the tasks. So there should be a small winning moment for you. Whatever it means for you, you have to have that.